Hi, my name is Nia Hopkins, and I am an undergrad student at the University of Delaware. I am majoring in pre-vet sciences. I am currently working with Dr. Biddle and Jillian, my research partner, on our summer research project. We have decided to use a survey to better understand what the cause of gastric ulcers in standardbred racehorses may be, as opposed to other research methods.
Hi, I'm Jill. I am a pre-vet major at UD. I am entering my senior year of undergrad, and I also have a minor in animal nutrition as well. So right now we're still looking into seeing which factors have a strong influence on gastric ulcers developing in standardbred racehorses. And so using a survey means that we can look at a lot of different potential variables and see which ones have the strongest correlations.
I'm Amy Biddle, the Department of Animal and Food Sciences, and I'm an associate professor. I've been here since 2015. I teach equine nutrition, equine management, and supervise the equine science minor. So my PhD is microbiology, and my research focuses on the gut microbiome of horses. So we're interested in gut health, and the tie-in with the ulcer project is that the development of ulcers has been associated with stress, but in humans and in other animals there have been some links with particular microbes in the gut. So we're interested, first of all, in what management practices impact ulcer formation and the continuation of ulcers, but then eventually we'll be exploring how the gut microbiome is different in horses that have a high prevalence of ulcers.
Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Balt. I'm a human and equine chiropractor since 1988. Doing research on equine ulcers has a great effect in racing in general. By finding the cause of the ulcers and appropriate treatment of the ulcers, we can make the horse happier and perform better. A happy, healthy horse is a horse that has lower medical bills and is also more successful in the racetrack.
I think that the insights that we get from this project will help us to understand the gut-brain axis in people as well, because there are a lot of common microbes that we see in the horse that we also see in people. And these microbes make neurotransmitters. They're communicating with the host. So whether it's a human host or a horse host, those are common conversations.
The main goal of the trainer is to prepare a horse to be race sound. Soundness doesn't just include their feet, their knees, their back, and their hips and their muscles, but it also includes the different organs that run the body. One of the most common problems in the race industry are going to be ulcers. So if they could find out what is contributing to an ulcer, maybe it's the environment, maybe it's some stressor that they haven't quite figured out at this point, maybe it's transportation issues, maybe it's dietary issues. So being able to locate and correctly analyze what is causing the stressor, the trainer can remove these stressors, allow the racehorse to have less ulcer type symptoms, and then become more productive. A faster horse is a horse that feels better and performs better. Faster horse is one that makes more money on the track.
Yeah, I think once we get some correlations identified through the surveys that we're working on this summer, then that will point to particular hypotheses that then could be tested either through changing feeding strategies and then measurement of ulcers or other tests in order to demonstrate the strength and the robustness of those hypotheses.